good morning. This is Suzanne Seeley with Suzanne Style Snips. Today I want to talk about the power, the beauty, the grace of a slipcover. You know, when you think of slipcovers, you almost think, well, geez, nobody uses slipcovers anymore. That's old-fashioned. But maybe that's the beauty of them. It brings a sense of romance and yesteryear into a room. You can dramatically change a room from, say, a classic formal sofa to something very soft and pretty. You might want to change from winter to summer, and a white muslin slipcover might do that. Think of all the detailing that you can put, ruffles or bows or even pleats on a slipcover. I know that making slipcovers is as almost a lost art. I really do. Not that many people make them anymore, but you can find people who will make them. And I absolutely love them because I think you can change a room around so much. In fact, I've got slipper chairs that go with my dining room table, and I've had beautiful organdy slipcovers made just to put over the slipper chairs to change it from being tight to being something soft and just pretty for an occasion. And keep in mind that slipcovers don't always have to be loose, and we might think of the kind that some people use and they had to keep tucking them in. Slipcovers can be almost as tight as something you could bounce a dime off of. They can be tailored looking too. They don't have to have that sense of romance that I'm talking about. So pretty much I just want to bring your attention to something that you don't see too often and that can make your room versatile. You could even have several different slipcovers for something, for chairs, for sofas. And keep in mind too that you can change the color pattern in your room dramatically with a slipcover. Go from an ivory sofa to a lovely peony colored sofa or a teal sofa or something like that. I mean, they're just tremendously versatile. So I want to talk about the power and the beauty of slipcovers. Okay, thank you. This has been Suzanne Seeley. Please like and subscribe.